Alright, let's get this started. Savage Riders Bike Co. Go check them out on Instagram and Facebook at Savage Riders Bike Co. Well, let's get this started. My name is Colton Edmiston. I'm 19 years old. Obviously, I ride for Savage Riders Bike Co. And this is my 2016 bike check. Start things off. Start up here. I got ODI grips, best pair of grips you can get. I got a Colt bars that are about 875, maybe 9 rise. I got top load Primo stem. I have Sunday pair of forks. I have matching Colt treads. I have matching Primo hubs. I got the Primo N4 female front hub, and I got the Primo mix, the rear back hub. I got a Colt front rim, and then I have a Primo back rim because my Colt rim just broke, so I had to lace this back up. For my frame, I have the BTM Mike Hoder signature. I have a Daily Grind purple sprocket with the grind guard on it, obviously. I have 2 different pedals. I have one Odyssey pedal and one Shadow pedal. And for my bottom bracket, I just bought this brand new pair of cranks, a 22mm spindle, and I bought bearings for it, but I didn't think about the bottom bracket. But since it's bigger, I had to buy new bearings, but I didn't think about how to buy spaces and everything. So right now I have 2 Gatorade caps and then 2 headset bearings, and the headset bearings in the Gatorade caps for my bottom bracket. I'm doing what I can right now because my dumb ass didn't get what I needed. I got a torn up seat, Cal Whips. Gives it some class. Go like, follow, subscribe. Go check me out on Instagram. Tell me where your location, what park you ride at. I might be able to come hit it up and get a session in with you. I've been slacking on videos lately, so I'm going to try to get back on it. Yep, Colton Edmiston, riding for Savage Riders Bike Co. Peace.